Welcome guys. Today I want to show you a quick tutorial. Actually, it's about mixing and mastering. And today I have a session for my client, and I found a really common, very common mistake in a mix, actually in mix, because now I get track for mastering, but the mix wasn't made properly. So what I want to say and show, look at this. So I will play it and check if you can catch it, what I want to say. Look at this. We're gonna have very high octave melodies, like arpeggiator. Look at this. I can hear that these very high resonances, like harsh resonances. I don't know if you can catch it, but what I mean, if you're gonna have this kind of very high octave room, like arpeggiators or something like this, you need to pay attention about some like very annoying resonances. So what I mean by that, I will take even brand new EQ, and I just want to show you. I will double click it, and for example I will choose this one. And what do we want to do? We want to put the Q, so it's resonance maximum. It will be on the band pass. On the bell. And now let's put the gain maximum up, and now we're gonna looking for the bad resonances. Bad resonances, actually, what we supposed to cut. Look at this, look. And what I forgot, we have to click listening, monitoring, and when you click here and press play, then you will just hear what is happening in this frequency. Okay, we're gonna wait a little bit, and now we just moving to the left, and I'm checking. Look at this. Even here, it's quite unpleasant. So this is actually bad already, but it's not what I want to show you. Look at this. Look. Again, another one. And one more, 1 second. Let me move it here. Okay, let's again. Look. Can you hear it? Look what's going on. Look. So now we're gonna looking for the worst frequencies. Oh, this one. Can you hear it? Look what's going on. So now what I mean that he made mistake. He sent me already the track with without cutting this. So even if we now, because now I spotted the bad frequency, now I can go with gain down. All right, and now it's gonna be let's say fixed. I don't know if you can hear it, but when I was listening on monitors, and I just did the same, exactly the same with Fab Pro Q, it was really big difference. Look at this. With, without, look at this. Look. So the mistake was that this, it's supposed to be cut just before you send everything to mastering. And that's why now if I cut like that, I can't do like this, because look what's gonna happen in a spectrum. Look at this. So now we have this bell curve and this cut on the entire track. So that's why I have to ask my clients to send me this lead, for example, and I will correct it, or tell them to correct it and send it to me back. So if you're gonna have this kind of situation, you can do like this, so you can spot the bad resonances, or you can, for example, buy Soothe, for example, Soothe 2, and it was in about this range. Look at this. Look. It's here. Look. This one. Before you like send this track for mastering, make sure your like very high octave leads or anything which might have these resonances, make sure you spot them and remove before mastering. All right, from me it's that for today, and see you in next videos.